Welcome to Aarti's Education. Today we are going to learn about Chapter 5 Decimal Fractions. In last standard, we learned basic information of decimal fractions. What the decimal fractions are called. So what are the decimal fractions? Decimal fractions are fractions where the denominator have a power of 10, such as 10, 100, 1000, etc. These are written with a decimal point that makes us easy to make the operations of decimal fractions, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. In this chapter, we are going to learn more about decimal fractions and how to make their additions, their subtraction, multiplication and division also. Remember, decimal fraction is a fraction that is shown as a decimal point followed by the number of tens, hundreds, etc. For example, I write 75 upon 10. In decimal fraction, how can I write it? I write it as a 7.5. This dot is called a point and it is read as 7.5. We learnt everything about this in 5th standard. Here, one example is given to us in our book. The example of Nandu. Nandu went to a shop to buy a pen, notebook, eraser and paint box. The shopkeeper told him the prices. A pen cost 4.5 rupees, an eraser 1.5, a notebook 6.5 and a paint box 25 rupees and 50 paise. Nandu bought one of each article. Prepare his bill. We have to prepare the bill of Nandu. If Nandu gave a 100 rupee note, how much money does he get back? So, for it, we are going to prepare first of all a bill of Nandu. He buy one pen, the quantity is 1 and on amount side it is a 4.5 rupees. It's written as 4.50 rupees. The second object he buy an eraser. The quantity of eraser is 1 and its amount is 1.5 rupees, means 1.50. Then third one, a notebook. He buy a notebook 6.5. Notebook. Quantity of notebook is 1, 6.5 rupees. Then he buy a paint box. Fourth one is paint box. The quantity of paint box is 1 and the price of paint box is 25 rupees and 50 paise. 25 rupees and 50 paise. Nandu bought one of each article. So, we are writing here a quantity as 1 and amount column we write here rupees. So, let's add it. Here we get it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fours are 20, 2 is carry forward, then 4 plus 1 it's 5, plus 6 it's 11, plus 5 it's 16 and plus 2 it's 18. Again 1 is carry forward, then 2 plus 1 it's 3. Place here decimal point. The total is 38 and total number of quantities are 4. So subtract 100 minus 38. The number we get here is 62. Nandu will get 62 rupees back. Rupees, paise, meter and centimeter. While solving these problems, we have used fractions with up to 2 decimal point. 2 decimal point. And when we are going to solve problems with the units like kilogram, gram, kilometer, meter, liter, milliliter, we are going to use fractions up to 3 decimal point. When we actually solve the problems, you know very well that how 2 decimal points and 3 decimal points are used. There is another example of Reshma in our book, that is, Reshma bought some vegetables. They included 3/4 kilo potatoes, 1 kilo onions, half a kilo cabbage and a 1/4 kilo tomatoes. What is the total weight of the vegetables in her bag? So we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, half kg is equal to 500 gram, 3/4 kg is equal to 750 gram and 1/4 kg is equal to 250 gram. Now to find out the total weight of vegetables, we are going to add units and kilograms and grams in turn. Like this. They added here. Similarly, between the addition of integers and the addition of decimal fractions are given here. The total weight of vegetables 1500 gram, that is written in kg as 2.500 kilogram. So we know that 2.500 is equal to 2.50 is equal to 2.5. The weight of vegetables in Reshma's bag is 2.5 kilogram. This is the introduction of our chapter 5 decimal fraction. Hope you will understand it. Let's see you in practice set 14. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.